Hello everyone, this is Henry from Elliott Wave Analysis.com. So today I'm going to take a look at the chart of the GDXJ. This is Gold Miners Junior ETF. We're gonna look at the monthly all the way down to the daily and the 4 hour. Okay. So in the monthly time frame here, we are calling wave 2 over here completed. Okay. Now this can either be wave 2 or wave B, obviously. So let me zoom out to give you an idea where we are. So this current pullback basically ended in $16. Now I only got data as far back as 2010, but basically this is a major low here in 2016. Either it is a wave 2 or a wave B, but most probably is wave 2 because technically speaking, ETF and stocks is always going to be bullish. It will never go to zero, and it will always reflect progress, and therefore should always continue to be bullish. Now, $16.14 is going to be in the base or in the floor in the long term. Uh, Now the reason that this is making sense is because if it breaks below $16 again, now technically speaking, from technical point of view, then you will have a sequence of a lower low from 2010 like this. Okay, and usually when you do have a sequence of lower low like this, then you will try to measure the target on the downside using the 100% extension. So if I do that, let's say from the peak here to this low, and then project it from here, now you can see the 100% is negative $97. So what that tells us is that doesn't make any sense. It will never go to minus 97. It will never even go to $0, right? So that means we can assume then this is the base or the major low in the GDXJ, and therefore from there we should find a count in which we are starting a new bullish leg on the upside. So far we only have 3 waves, so we're calling this as a nest 1 2 1 2. All right, and now let's focus on the last move up here from 2022. So if I downgrade now to the daily, and then the focus is going to be just this move up, analyzing the structure of this move. Now we can see this is the same with 2. You can see the structure here is looking like a 5 waves, right? Looking like a 5 waves with a divergence here at the peak. That basically confirms this could be a wave 5. And now we are pulling back in the GDXJ, and you can see it breaks the trend line in the shorter cycle. So what that tells us is that shorter cycle, then yes, the cycle completed as a 5 wave, so we should expect now a 3 waves pullback. Okay, now I'm proposing this is a possible 3 waves. Now it doesn't need to be this deep, but the idea is we are correcting the cycle right now, and the idea is that it is bullish in the larger time frame because it doesn't make sense to break below $16, right? So again, 1 2 1 2, this is going to be the secondary low, which is also a major low, so to speak. And then as long as we stay above this $25.80, then basically we should continue to go higher again once this correction is complete. Now if this proposed count here is okay, then we should be looking for a 5 ways down like so before a B and a C. Another possibility will simply be a ABCW, so this is ending W, X, and then Y. And then yet another possibility is a very shallow pullback like an ABC, and then immediately go higher again. Now I know there are a couple of possibilities there, but that's the way it is. You have to understand the idea here is not so much that it has to be 3 4 5 BC, you know, but the idea here and the main key takeaway is that as long as we stay above $26, eventually this is going to go up. Now the pullback can take couple of different forms. This is just one possible form. Another possible form, like I explained, this is ABC, this is a W, and then X, and then Y, and then up again. That's another possibility. And then yet another possibility will be a shallow ABC and then immediately go up like this, right? That's another possibility. So keep in mind that there are a couple of different ways that we can correct, but the main takeaway is still the same, that we are bullish as long as it stays above $26 right here. Okay, so that's kind of the idea with the GDXJ, and I'll see you all again next time. If you want to check our service, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and I provided the link as well in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day.